The section attribute calculation function can calculate the relevant road parameters according to the horizontal and longitudinal reference lines. Click to calculate the attribute values of the transverse section. First, select the point cloud category involved in the calculation of road parameters, click the ground point, and uncheck the other categories. The drop-down selects the group to perform the attribute calculation. In the section attributes, the profile parameters can be displayed on the canvas, and the corresponding button to control the concealment of the result parameters. The attribute values of the profile are: Retting Depth Index, RDI reflects the degree of retting depth. International Roughness Index, IRI, an indicator used to measure the quality of the road surface, reflecting the degree of wear on the road. Slope, the change in height of the road along the longitudinal direction. Maximum turning radius, the maximum turning radius of the road in the lateral direction. Curvature, the curvature of the road in the horizontal direction. For the calculation of RDI and IRI, the parameters need to be set by clicking the Settings button on the interface. RDI. Thickness, the width of the point cloud along the left side of the longitudinal reference line used for calculating the RDI parameter. Left width, the width of the point cloud along the left side of the longitudinal reference line used for calculating the RDI parameter. Right width, the width of the point cloud along the right side of the longitudinal reference line is used for calculating the RDI parameter. The attribute values for a cross-section are: single slope, the ratio of the height difference between the leftmost and rightmost points of the current cross-section to the width of the pavement. Two-way slope, calculates the single slope for both sides separately, using the center point as the dividing point. Cross-section roughness, the average distance from all points to the line connecting the leftmost and rightmost points. Maximum deviation, the maximum distance from all points to the line connecting the leftmost and rightmost points. Left and right ret depths, measured using the 3-meter ruler method to determine the ret depths on the left and right sides. Road retting depth in the left section engineering management section, you can see the calculated attribute values.